Today's tutorial is about how to use Google Sites. First of all, you need to go into Google Chrome and under the apps, select Sites. You will have been invited to share a site just for you, and it will allow you to complete your fieldwork report. So I'm just going into the general site, but you will see one with your own name that you can select. So open up your site and you should have the same instructions and task information that I see on my own site here. So we have an overview page, an introduction to our fieldwork, and then information on various topics like natural geographic characteristics, human, water resources, etc. On page 8 you will find the assessment criteria for this assignment. On page 9 you will find reference material. However, at certain stages throughout the site I have actually included some of this reference material for you. Alright, let's see what we need to do in order to edit our pages. First of all, this editing tool up in the top right hand corner needs to be selected. It says it's loading the editor, so you can add or remove information. First of all, you need to select, if you're going to write something, the font size. I quite like size 12. You need to select whether you want it bolded, italic or underlined, and also what colour you want your text. I might use bright purple. And if you want to use bullets, they are there, and these are your indents and your positioning, much like a Word document. Okay, so let's write something. Rainfall and relief are important in determining land use. Go to the top right hand corner, select Save, and your text should now be saved. Now you may not only want to write text into your pages, you may want to upload a photograph. So go back into the editing tool, and it may be an image of a map that you want to upload, or it may actually be a photograph that you have taken on fieldwork to show water management strategies or the way water is being used by different user groups. I'm going to insert here a map, and it's going to be a map of relief. So I go and select an insert button. I want to select an image. I'm going to upload an image. So I select upload. On my desktop I have a map of the elevation showing the relief of the land. I'm going to open that up. That's uploading, and make sure that that's been selected. It has, it's got yellow around it, and I'm going to select OK. Now you can choose the size of your image. Get your choice right the first time, because it tends not to like being, once you have saved, it doesn't seem to like being altered after that. I'm quite happy with its position on the left. This is its alignment, left, centre or right. I think the image size is quite good. I don't want it, the original size will be the biggest. I don't want it to be smaller, so I don't want to go down to large, medium or small. So if you are happy with the size of your image, click on Save, and hopefully our image will be saved on the page, and there it is. Okay, now obviously I'd need to put title and source with my images, so I can add that, but I'll do that a bit later. Alright, so they're the fundamentals of editing your page and putting in your responses. You do have other options. You can insert a table, and they can be modified as well. Once you've inserted it, you still can add more rows and columns. You might use a table to present some of your findings. Okay, let's press save. Now you do have the option of simply using this website, this Google site I should say, as a resource, copying down the questions, pasting them into a Word document and writing your report in a Word document and submitting it as a hard copy. That is completely up to you whether you use this Google site and modify it and then I mark it from here, or whether you actually submit a hard copy. So your choice, but this will certainly be your resource in terms of all the requirements. Good luck.